Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So just a small video this week. This was there was a bit of snow that we've had in the UK. It's currently it's January 5th, 2026. We've had our first bit of snow in Hertfordshire in the UK. Not much, but the rest of the country has got quite a lot. It's about -3, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to take the DJI Neo 2 out and see how it handled in the cold, but also some of the different shots that you can do. So I tried the follow mode, worked really well through the forest stuff. We tried the helix mode where it kind of spins out and spins round and then goes around myself and my daughter. A boomerang shot, which was on the shorter kind of mode, that worked really well. And then some, we also tried some of the standard stuff like the rocket shot, which was really cool. That was at 10 meters. We had the selfie shot, so a couple of really nice photos. There is a couple of photos that was taken on the iPhone, but actually the ones later on that you'll see marked as such is from the drone. And as you can see, really good quality pictures from the drone. What do they call it? It's where the camera pulls out and you kind of get that really cool shot. So we've tried one of those as well. So hope you enjoy the footage. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's about 5 minutes or 4 or 5 minutes of footage in the snow. I will say, obviously, as you can imagine, because it was so cold, the battery only lasted about 10 minutes, which isn't bad considering it's about 15 minutes anyway. And it was -3. So hope you enjoy the footage.